With Trump's barrage of executive orders, billions of dollars of federal funding is now in limbo as the White House orders a pause on all loans and grant disbursements. With it, confusion is now spreading throughout the country, even though a federal judge has temporarily blocked the move just minutes before it was set to take effect this evening. The order came down in a memo last night from the Office of Management and Budget, vowing to promote government efficiency and, quote, end wokeness. The White House is making this freeze in an attempt to cut down on what the president refers to as, quote, wasteful spending. But Democratic lawmakers are calling the move unconstitutional and illegal.
Virtually any organization, school, state, police office, county, town, or community depends on federal grant money to run its day-to-day operations.
This is not a blanket pause on federal assistance and grant programs from the Trump administration. Assistance that is going directly to individuals will not be impacted by this pause.
So right now, it's unclear exactly how long this pause could potentially last, but we have learned it will be in place until at least Monday evening. Nebraska Congressman Mike Flood agreeing with Trump's decision today, saying, quote, America needs to watch the piggy bank, adding, quote, this will sort itself out in days and will end up being incredibly popular. With that, cities, counties, agencies, anyone receiving any kind of federal funding is now trying to sort out the potential impacts and how this could apply to them, as well as what programs could potentially be in jeopardy. In a statement today, the city of Lincoln tells us, quote, federal funding is critical to our city's ability to keep residents safe and healthy, grow our local economy, create affordable housing, build and maintain infrastructure, and develop our workforce. As this plays out in court, this leaves things like that $23 million project for that new multimodal transportation center and $66.7 million that's already been earmarked for that improvement project near 33rd and Cornhusker up in the air. Meanwhile, University of Nebraska President Dr. Jeffrey Gold saying in a statement, quote, today our primary focus is on gaining a clearer understanding of how this pause will impact research and programmatic grants and contracts, including those already awarded. We are working to identify next steps for faculty, staff, administration, and students. Currently, the university knows that this would not affect Pell Grants and federally sponsored direct student loans. That said, it has halted the issuance of new awards, the disbursement of federal funds under all open awards, and other relevant agency actions that fall under the executive orders.